Here's how you change the batteries on your Dancing Challenge playmat. All you need to do this is 3 AA batteries. I'm using rechargeable ones that I picked up off of Amazon. And you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver. There'll be a link for the batteries, the charger, the screwdriver, and the playmat in the description below. The first thing you need to do is turn your control panel over. And on the back, you'll see right here is the battery latch. So you're going to want to unscrew this Phillips head screw. And you want to pry open the battery latch cover and expose your 3 AAA batteries. So you're going to swap them out. All right, put your new rechargeable ones in with the flat spot facing the spring. Now take your latch, place it back on, push it down, tighten the screw back up, and you're all set. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.